gele DIY with me. So let's go do this style now and right away. Let's go. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to grab this material up like this and fold into two equal parts. That is 50-50. Fold it together like this. Grab it at the middle part and plait everything down. Then use an elastic band to secure it. So I'll pick one of this part up like this and repeat the same process, which means I'm going to place it down as well. Okay, and use another elastic band to secure it. Please take notes, try as much as you can to pick the same size all through. So this is the second one I'm folding. So I'm going to go to the other part of the fabric and repeat the same process with it again, which makes the third pleat. So look at it. So I'm going like that. I'm going to use elastic band again to secure this parts, which makes 3 pleated parts. And once I'm done, it is now time for me to divide it into 2 parts again, and I'm going to be placing it on my head like this. Okay guys, oh yeah, I'm here and I'm placing to my head, and I'll go to the back and give it a knot. Once I give it a knot, I'll stop there, but I'll still come back to the back for adjustment. So I'm giving it a knot here. It is secured now. I can come to the front and work with the pleated part or folded part. I'm going to take the middle part round and use office pin to secure. So that is the first part. Okay, the second one and the third one, I'm going to grab them together and at their edge up here, I'm going to secure them with an office pin. So if you like the remaining part you have downward, you can take it sideways and pin down, you are good to go. But for today's tutorial, I'm going to take them together again at the front, and I'm going to have like a circle shape for all of them. If you like, you can take it sideways, but for today's tutorial, this is what I'm doing. I'm going to take it together and secure it with an office pin, and this is what I have. I will not leave it like this yet. I still have to work around it to give me a beautiful shape. So to the back, I'll come back again and roll the excess and make sure I secure them. So after securing, I'm going to go for the other part and secure as well. So once I'm done securing, look at the back, and here is the front. So come back and adjust it properly, and we're going to have something like this. So guys, this is very simple to do, very simple to do if you really want to do it. Share this video, let it reach people who will enjoy and like what we do and practice it and DIY themselves. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.